Good girl.
M.
M, that's right. Good job.
M.
M for mouse, huh? Okay, Sophie, find me the B. B, B.
B. B.
There it is, huh?
Apple.
What letter is that?
B.
Yeah, good girl. Where's the apple?
Apple is red.
There's the apple. Good girl. What letter is that?
E.
A. Yeah. And how about the yo-yo? That's right. There's the yo-yo.
Y. Y.
That's right. Y. Good job. Do you know where the penguin is? The penguin. That's right. Good job. Penguin, huh? What letter is that? Do you know what letter that is? That's right. P. O for ostrich. Is this the doll? What letter does it start with?
D.
That's right. D. How about elephant? Where's the elephant? Where's the elephant? Why? There's the elephant. What letter does that start with? Huh?
E.
E. Good girl. And where's the house? Okay, no, the fish. Is this the fish? What letter is that? F. Yeah, good girl. Cute. How about the L? Is that L for lemon? What's that letter?
N.
Cute. And the house. Where's the house, Sophie? That's right. Necklace. What letter is that?
N.
N. Good. And what's this? Igloo. Igloo, okay. What letter is that?